All right, everybody, here is your core bites number 113. So the first one says, Madison has K number of kittens and 8 puppies. Choose the expression that shows how many kittens and puppies she has all together. So this word all together means she's adding them together to get the sum, okay? So she's got 8 puppies and a certain number of kittens, okay? K plus 8, that would tell you all together. This would tell you kittens minus puppies. This would just be puppies, and then this would be puppies minus kittens. So if you're trying to find all together, the best answer would be A. Okay? For number 2, you're going to multiply 60 times 700. The easy way to do this is just multiply 6 times 7 because both numbers have zeros. So 6 times 7 would give you 42, and then you're going to add 1, 2, 3 zeros, and you would get 42,000. For the next one, we're going to simplify each fraction. So 10/20ths, you can divide the numerator and the denominator by 10. So 10 times 1 is 10, 10 times 2 is 20, so 1/2. For 3 and 6, 3, 6, you can divide both by 3. 3 times 1, 3 times 2 is also 1/2, ironically. And then for 4 8ths, divide both by 4. 4 times 1, 4 times 2. So all of those fractions end up being 1/2 when simplified. For the next one, which is more, 2 grams or 200 milligrams? The answer here would be grams because the milligrams are actually much smaller. So the grams, and really guys, grams are small even in themselves if you're thinking of that, but still grams would be larger than milligrams. Okay? And then what shape is represented here with this train sign? So this would be a 3-sided figure. So it has 3 sides. It would be a triangle, but if you look at them, each side is equal. They're equal. So this would be an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle. All right, guys, check yours.